Not privileged to know what has happened.
Guys, pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. Pay attention so that you don't say you don't hear. Pay attention.
Labour Party.
Kwara, pay attention. Pay attention. Listen.
Let me tell you this. Labour Party is our own party. And it belongs to all of us. Whether we like it.
I don't know what is worrying you.
Whether we like it or we don't like, Labour Party is our own party. And if there is any issue, we must resolve that issue. Let me tell you the genesis of this problem. It's not a problem per se. What I am doing right now, is to save the party, to save our candidates, and to save the nation. For those who are not privileged to know what really transpired, sometime last week, there was a court order that restrained.
With due respect, sir.
Yes, please.
If you want us to listen to what has transpired and whatever, give us, the chairman, our due respect. Okay. Let us go into our office, sit down on the round table and have a conversation.
There is no problem.
That is it. That is the only thing. Let us go in. We cannot talk to right in the presence of everybody in the camera. Take us to our office. Open our office. Let's have a conversation as party men. That is it.
Then listen to him.
Listen to me first.
No, we are not hearing anything now.
Please, let's go inside and discuss as party men. I don't want us to be discussing and creating a scene for cameramen. Let's go inside and talk.
No, we're not hearing.
I deserve that.
We want to go.
Your whole address will create problem. You are not the most senior, I'm the most senior officer here. And I have the right to address you.
Madam, keep quiet now. Nobody is even listening to her. Listen to her. Forward ever. Labour Party.
Listen.
Don't beg anybody.
This is our party.
Don't record any address on us.
Whether we play shout, Labour Party belongs to all of us.
Yes.
Can I have your attention, please?
Now, go ahead. We are listening. You might not be aware that we are.
It's okay. Are you aware that there's a new leadership for Labour Party?
I'm not aware.
That is illegal.
I'm not aware.
You're not the last time.
I'm not aware.
Hello. Okay, do you even
Let us answer now.
Yes.
How God did you do that?
Is on suspension. You have no right to be here. Madam, we asked them, we are on suspension. You have no right to be here. I'm going to say chairman. That's my name. Ask me from Arab
Who are you? When 30 years ago, when
you are suspended. You are not suspended. You have no right to be here.
Where were you when we started?
You have been suspended in December 4 months ago.
Don't mind him now.
Me, I want to understand why.
Hello. First and foremost.
This is no need for it.
Hello.
Nobody is talking to anyone.
Hello.
Nobody is talking to anyone.
Hello. Listen, gentlemen. We are party men, right?
Absolutely.
And if we are party men, it means we are all under the law. My chairman.
I won't shake you. I won't shake you. No, I don't. We don't pretend.
Then don't talk to me. Wait now. Go ahead.
How can you embarrass me? Don't talk to them. But it's wrong now. What you say is wrong. No matter what it is, you have your enemy.
I have right to accept or not. Yes. You can't frighten me. You are not powerful enough to frighten me. I've been patient with this idiot. I have the right to say no. I have the right to say no to your handshake or not. I have the right to say no. I kept you quiet. Me. Look at this.
That is what he wants.
He's not an idiot. He's not an idiot, sir. He's not an idiot.
He wants to shake me. I said, don't shake me. Did I correct with him? Did you know? Did you know? Did you know it happened more than me? You don't know it happened more than me. You know it happened more than me. I have the right to shake and the right not to shake. Did I insult him? That's how we know acting someone was saying. Not even a happy. I said I'm not shaking. I'm not shaking.
Labour Party!
I've been right to shake.